Senate Bill 1127 will change the existing law of medical marijuana use in schools. Nowadays, whether you look at print or online media, most sections are filled with issues faced by many parents or caregivers with respect to medical marijuana use as a medicine on school premises. Recently, one such case was in the limelight. Karina Garcia was forced to drive her son out of his school every day to administer cannabis medicine for his chronic epilepsy condition. To end discrimination for Karina and many other caregivers and guardians, the California State Assembly is now considering to allow medical marijuana use in schools. This Senate Bill 1127 was introduced and sponsored by State Senator Jerry Hill. Proposed guidelines. To acknowledge the efforts made by Karina Garcia, this bill would be passed in the name of her son and will be referred to as the Jojo's Act. School authorities maintaining kindergarten or grades 1 to 12 will now allow parents or guardians to administer medical marijuana medicine on the school premises. However, they must abide by these rules. Before giving medicine, they must report to the school authorities. A copy of the medical recommendation must be submitted to the school authorities. While giving medical cannabis medicine, they should not disrupt their school's educational environment. Only capsule or liquid form of medical cannabis will be allowed. The rest of the medicine stock must be removed from the school premises. No school personnel or staff member need to be present at the time of consumption of this medicine by the pupil. The records submitted should remain confidential, except if required by any state or federal agency. Bill status. Although the State Assembly earlier rejected the bill, it was later passed by a majority of 42 to 20 in the Assembly. We are now waiting for the final decision by Governor Jerry Brown. If the governor passes this proposed bill, then California will be the 8th state after Colorado, Delaware, Florida, Illinois, Maine, New Jersey, and Washington to approve medical marijuana consumption within schools. Are you in support of this bill? Do share your thoughts in the comments section below. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest medical cannabis information.